Hello YouTube, as promised I'm back with the third basement video. So as you see, they came back out, they added some more framing to the other side of that wall that was wood framing instead of the steel. And then underneath the stairs where my small office is gonna be, they added the framing to where they're gonna end the office at. They also started some of the framing for my bar knee wall. So the next week they came out and did the rough plumbing. So this is the plumbing for the half bath. It will have a sink and a toilet. So they also got the plumbing done for the bar area where there will be a sink. So also this week, the HVAC people came out, and that was the half bath where there's going to be like a vent and everything in the ceiling. Over here, they covered up the prior vent this is in my office space, and I realized that basically they cut a hole into the furnace to make an opening to carry over into the bathroom for that vent. So while down there trying to observe what HVAC people did, I noticed the shutoff valves that Rough Plumbing had done for the bar area as well as the half bath. So these are the shutoff valves for the bar area. And on this clip, the shutoff valves for the half bath are located in the storage room for both the cold and the hot water. Thanks for watching.